How then could I keep the boredom away from one more lonely day? The walking in the sun doesn't sound much fun. I'm for deficiency and not vitamin D. For something to do, I'll fight Sudoku. With many victories dealt, I'm now a black belt in Sudoku. I'll pen angry verses littered with curses and obvious rhymes, poetical crimes. You all read or hear what I'm doing here, but the real context is it could be you